The electric vehicle revolution has been gaining momentum for almost a decade, and the excitement surrounding it still shows no signs of fading. Now, Ford has added even more energy to the conversation. In a remarkable announcement, Ford's CEO introduced a completely new lithium iron phosphate battery that could potentially last indefinitely. A battery with virtually no degradation sounds unbelievable, doesn't it? So how could this technology actually work? And more importantly, when will regular drivers finally be able to replace traditional batteries with this groundbreaking innovation? So, what exactly are LFP batteries? If you've been paying attention to EV developments or battery technology, you've probably noticed the phrase lithium iron phosphate appearing everywhere. LFP batteries have quickly become one of the hottest topics in the energy sector, powering electric vehicles, home backup systems, and even large-scale energy storage facilities. But what makes them so unique? LFP batteries are a type of lithium-ion battery. Instead of depending on expensive metals like nickel or cobalt, they use lithium iron phosphate within the cathode. That single chemical change creates a major advantage. These batteries are safer, less expensive to manufacture, and significantly more durable than conventional lithium-ion batteries. It's no surprise that companies such as Ford, Tesla, and BYD are rapidly integrating LFP technology into their vehicles. Why is everyone suddenly so focused on LFP batteries? Anyone following renewable energy or electric vehicles has likely noticed one clear trend. LFP batteries are becoming increasingly common, and there's a strong reason behind it. They're quickly turning into the preferred option for EVs, residential solar systems, and even heavy-duty machinery. Their biggest strength is durability. Traditional lithium-ion batteries made with nickel-manganese-cobalt chemistry tend to lose capacity after a few thousand charging cycles. LFP batteries, however, can comfortably survive between 5,000 and 10,000 cycles. Some newer versions are even reported to exceed 20,000 cycles. To put that into perspective, an EV powered by LFP technology could potentially travel over 1 million miles before showing noticeable battery wear. That's why this technology is generating so much attention. Longer lifespan, lower manufacturing costs, and safer chemistry make LFP far more than just another battery upgrade. It represents a major shift in the future of energy storage. And with Ford now hinting at an LFP battery that may not degrade at all, the future of electric mobility could arrive much sooner than expected. For consumers, this could eliminate concerns about costly battery replacements after only a few years of use. For industries that rely on battery storage for renewable energy, this type of durability could completely transform operations. Once installed, these systems require very little maintenance and may continue functioning effectively for decades. Safety also plays a huge role in battery development, and this is another area where LFP batteries outperform traditional lithium-ion technology. Standard lithium-ion batteries contain nickel and cobalt, materials known for overheating risks and thermal runaway. Under certain conditions, damaged or overcharged batteries can even catch fire or explode. LFP batteries are much more stable by comparison. They are less likely to overheat, far less likely to ignite, and capable of handling high temperatures without major losses in performance. This makes them an excellent option for electric cars, solar storage systems, and backup power applications, basically anywhere safety is considered critical. Another important reason LFP batteries are becoming more popular is affordability. Conventional lithium-ion batteries depend heavily on nickel and cobalt, which are costly, difficult to extract, and tied to serious ethical concern. Cobalt mining in places like the Democratic Republic of Congo has especially raised questions about labor and environmental practices. LFP batteries are not limited to vehicles alone. They are also widely used in residential and industrial energy storage. Solar panels generate electricity during the daytime, but without reliable storage systems, much of that energy becomes unusable once the sun sets. LFP batteries provide an efficient and durable way to store solar power, ensuring a stable energy supply overnight and during cloudy conditions. These batteries maintain their capacity even after thousands of cycles, have a much longer operational life, and carry lower fire risks, making them ideal for both residential and commercial solar installations. That's why Tesla's Powerwall, BYD, home storage systems, and many off-grid solar setups now rely heavily on LFP technology. First, it's important to understand why LFP batteries matter so much. Compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries that depend on nickel and cobalt, lithium iron phosphate batteries deliver several major benefits. Their biggest advantages include safety, affordability, and long-term durability. They are less susceptible to overheating, making them a much safer option overall. The global transition toward electric vehicles is accelerating rapidly. Governments and automakers across the world are committing to phasing out gasoline-powered vehicles. This shift is being driven by the urgent need to reduce carbon emissions, fight climate change, and reduce dependence on fossil fuels. Electric vehicles powered by improved battery technologies such as LFP are increasingly viewed as a central part of this transformation. So, can LFP batteries truly push EVs into market dominance? The answer depends on more than just technological progress. Factors like production scale, charging infrastructure, government policies, and consumer acceptance will all play critical roles. For example, charging networks must continue expanding to support the growing number of EVs on the road. Consumers are unlikely to adopt electric vehicles on a massive scale if charging remains inconvenient, regardless of how advanced battery technology becomes. The opportunities for growth and innovation in this industry are enormous. Over the coming years, breakthroughs in battery research and electric vehicle development will likely continue redefining what is possible. Collaboration between automakers and battery researchers is already accelerating innovation and bringing advanced ideas to market faster than ever before. This rapid progress suggests that today's electric vehicles are only the beginning. Future EVs will likely provide longer driving ranges, quicker charging speeds, and more advanced features that improve the entire driving experience. Looking at the bigger picture, it's becoming clear that the industry is experiencing more than a simple technological improvement. Instead, it represents a major shift in the philosophy of energy storage itself. The rise of lithium iron phosphate technology reflects a growing focus on durability, safety, and ethically sourced materials, values that are becoming increasingly important to regulators and consumers alike. This transformation is changing expectations around the products that power modern life. An electric vehicle is evolving from simply being a car into a long-lasting energy asset connected to a broader clean energy ecosystem. At the same time, it's important to recognize that LFP batteries are not the only technology competing for the future of EVs. While LFP is rapidly expanding, especially in affordable EVs and in markets like China, other innovations such as solid-state batteries are also under development. These technologies promise even greater energy density and safety and could potentially surpass LFP if they become commercially practical and affordable. So, will EVs dominate because of LFP technology? They are certainly moving toward greater dominance, and LFP batteries are playing a major role in making electric vehicles more affordable and accessible for larger numbers of people. However, widespread EV adoption will require more than one breakthrough technology. It will depend on a combination of technological innovation, supportive economic conditions, and strong policy frameworks that together create a sustainable EV ecosystem. Looking ahead, electric vehicles clearly have a promising future.